Welcome to everymantrades.com, and today I'll be showing you how to request bots and also withdraw your earnings. So starting with, I'll show you how to withdraw your earnings. So when the payday has reached, which is literally the next month, so if you are in January, then you'll receive your earnings on February, or rather we pay on February. If it's February, then we pay on March, and like that. So if it's on December, you get paid on January, around date 12, around date 10 to date 15 of the next month. So once the payday has arrived, you just go to commissions, and then you'll see your total amount right here in the pending payout. You just navigate into withdrawals, and then in your withdrawal, you will see the details here. You'll enter your M-Pesa registered name, for example, maybe Kaylee, like that, and your M-Pesa number, which in your international format, like that, and you click withdrawal. Then your withdrawal will be submitted, and you will wait and will receive money within 24 hours from the moment you requested your withdrawal. That's how simple it is to withdraw your earnings. You'll be able to track every earnings from here in details. You can select specific detail range, and then you see the earnings for your apps, each application with its own earnings. You'll be able to see earnings also from these specific segment, whereby you see the earnings for today, the earnings for this month, and the last month. Literally, the earnings for the last month are the earnings that you are supposed to receive during the current month, and then these earnings you'll receive on the next month. These month earnings are literally from the start of the month to the current date of the month. And then last ledger, basically when your last balance increased from settlement and all that. So that's how it literally happens. And then here you'll see your withdrawal history. You can see your status is queued. That's how commissions are withdrawn from everyman trades. And then now I'll proceed to show you how to request bots. So for instance, you have this good logic idea that you have, that you are sure that your traders will love. So this is how you request about the bot. So first thing first, just go to trading bots, and in trading bots you will just see here request bots, and then in this request bot will describe your logic here. For example, you could be like a bot that trades differs last two same digits, e.g. 2 trades differs digit 2, like that. Make sure the logic is clear enough, and then here you put your refund number. Your refund number basically is the number that, because you're going to pay this fee here for the bot, the refund number is the number that, for example, if your logic is not clear enough or is not possible, then the money will automatically be refunded right here in your refund number. And here you'll put the number that you're going to pay for the bot with. So for example, let me just put it, and then you'll also put your refund number. So you can just literally, if the same number applies in both cases, then you just click it and then click pay, and then payment STK will be sent to your phone. So then you'll enter the M-Pesa number and then pay the amount that has been specified. So I cancel the request. So after you pay the amount, then automatically your bot request will show here that the payment has been paid. If it failed, then you can retry here, and then after payment, then the admin will start the bot, creating the bot, and then after the admin has started creating the bot, then your bot will start appearing here in the started request. When the bot is in the pending request, can be either the admin has not started creating the bot. Immediately the admin starts creating the bot, then it goes to the started request. In pending request, you can also edit the description if it's not clear enough, or if you realize that you missed some key details and that you need to pass to the admin. So after the bot has moved to request to started, then you cannot edit any details because it has already started being created. And then when the admin has completed the bot, then it will go to completed request and it will appear here, and you will download it from this segment here. And now after you download your bot, now you can upload it to your traders. And then when the request fails and we have refunded your money, then the request will go to the failed request, and you'll be able to see it here and see the refund status. So that's literally it. When the admin uploads free bots for you, maybe for your traders, then free bots will be able to access them from here, and you can download them. You can also load them to your website directly in this specific segment here by selecting the website that you want the bot to go to. So you can see here you have your upload bot. So for instance, the admin has created the bot for you, and now you need to, or it's time for you to upload the bot to your users. From the upload bot segment, now you can click all sites or select specific sites. So for instance, if you have several sites and you want the bot to go to all sites, so just click all sites and then give the bot a name, for example the first bot, like that, and then it will give the description, which is optional. This bot trades differs, like that, and then you will select your bot. So for example, maybe this one, and then upload it, and then your bot will be uploaded successfully. And now once you upload a bot, you can manage it from here, whereby you can edit the description of the bot and the name. You can also delete it, and you can also archive it. Archive it is basically if you do not want to delete it but you don't want it to appear, so just click archive, and then the bot will be archived like that. So that's how you do it. So that's literally it. And now if now you want to disable you don't want your users to download your bots, then you just enable this, and then your users will not be able to download the bots from your website. So for example, if you go to botlive.site, and then go to free bots, you can see the bot is here. For example, now we enabled not to save the bot. So for example, now you can see here would not have any button right here to save the bot, nor will it appear here in the dashboard. So that's how you disable saving bots. So when you enable it, so when the users now refresh here, now you can see we have a save functionality there that now they can use to save their bots. That's how you handle it. To delete a bot, you just click there, delete, and the bot is gone, like that. Simple as that. So if you have your strategies, then you can just come to the strategies page, and then you click you select the name for the strategy that you want, you describe about it, and then you upload it right here. For instance, I could call it volatility breakout. Volatility break out, and then this is a test, and then this is just a random test strategy, and then you select what contract type is this strategy for. So for instance, if it's for over and under or matches and differs, for instance, and then you select the strategy. Could be a document, could be an image, could be whatever the case. So for me, I'll just select this image here. This is just a picture of cars. So, and then after you do that, you just click upload your strategy, and you can see here on top I selected all the sites. You can as well select a specific site that you want to upload the strategy for. So click upload strategy, and your strategy will be uploaded like that. And now if you want to manage the strategy, maybe you want to delete it and all that kind of stuff, you just come to manage strategies and you'll be able to delete it. And now in the front end, now your users will be able to see the strategy when they come to FreeBots. We have download strategy there, and they'll be able to see it right here. So now they can view the strategy there. So you can see, as I told you, is an image of cars, and there we have it. So they can download the strategy and they'll be able to open it. And that's it for this specific tutorial. If you want to reach us for any help, just reach out to the support, chat on WhatsApp, and then it will open our support, and you'll be able to get assistance from there.